Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been trying to figure out how to connect your Silhouette Cameo to your computer, don't worry, you're in the right place. A lot of beginners feel confused when they first take the machine out of the box and aren't sure what to plug in and where to connect. But no stress. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through the whole process step by step, from powering up your machine to get it connected through USB or Bluetooth. I'll show you exactly what to do in the easiest way possible. Alright, let's jump straight in and get your Silhouette Cameo connected. First, you just have to unbox your Silhouette machine. Remove all the wrapping and the tape from the outside. Make sure you open the blade housing cover and remove the tapes from the inside of the machine. Once that's done, let's connect the power. Attach the adapter to the cable, plug it into the power port on your Silhouette Cameo and then into the wall outlet. Next, let's connect the machine on your laptop. If you're using a wired connection, simply plug in the USB cable. Otherwise, you can connect it through the Bluetooth. It's totally up to you. Alright, now open your browser and go to the official Silhouette website. You can type in the link shown on the screen or use the website address printed on the paper that came in the box. Once you're on the Silhouette machine setup page, select your preferred language and click Continue. If the language is different, don't worry, you can change it from the list. Now, we're moving on to creating your account. If you're a new user, click on Create Account. If you already have one, just hit Sign In. On the Create a Free Account page, enter your details in the New Account Information section. Then, check all boxes and click on Create Account. Great, your account is ready. Click on the blue link here to sign in with your new account. Enter your email and password and click Sign In. Now, click on the Software tab and then press the Machine Setup button. To register your machine, fill in your address details and click on Continue. Next, you'll need to enter your machine's serial number. You can find it on the back of your Silhouette Cameo. Fill in the rest of the fields, select Continue. Your Cameo should now be detected. Just click on Register My Machine to move forward. You'll now see a message saying congratulations, your Silhouette Cameo is now registered. Just click on Continue to Next Step button. On the Setup Machine tab, you'll see a list of everything included in the box and the basic steps we already completed. Now, click on the Download and Install Software tab, then choose the software for your operating system. Since I am using Mac, I am clicking on Mac 64-bit. Once done, you can select Allow on the pop-up and wait for the download to finish. After the download is done, open it from your downloads, drag the Silhouette icon into this application folder and wait for it to complete. Double-click the Silhouette app in the Applications folder and follow the on-screen steps to finish the installation. After registering your machine, you can also claim your 1 free month basic subscription. Just click on the store icon inside the Silhouette Studio app, and that's it. You've successfully set up your Silhouette Cameo machine and it's now ready to use. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.